Don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. So, does this ornament remind you of anyone? You are funny, aren't you? You're like a living sculpture. Separated at birth.
Good morning, everyone. Oh, a bit wibbly wobbly there. Sorry about that. Say good morning, Mike.
Good morning.
We're on our way to Mum and Dad's. We phoned them to say, do you need any shopping? Oh, this is a bit mumpy. Like milk, bread, etc. And Mum said, we've got a fish tank. Don't know where that came from.
But it's all in bits on the living room floor.
It's all in bits on the living room floor. So she said, I think you might need to help us put it together. They were going to buy a budgie. That budgie's going to have to learn to swim, isn't he?
Yeah.
We're taking Bentley to see his nana. He's in the back there.
Somewhere.
His nana and granddad. So yeah, so we're just going down the hill into Penistone. Where right? Oh, you're there. Look at this. What a view.
Be nice without that big sign there.
Yes. Have it taken away. Get staff to move it.
And then remove it in post.
Yes. Yes, I doubt that. Remove the post, the sign will fall down. Yeah, Mum and Dad live just over there, near the white buildings. So there's the windmills, Teletubby Land.
That's what we call it.
And they're building a brand new estate up there. You can see them just starting to dig. So, yeah, so we're coming into land.
Because it just reflects into the telly, won't it?
It will. So.
It will just reflect into the telly if you put it where the CDs are.
So we've set it up, put the gravel in, the plants in, plugged the heater, the pump, all that in. Just have to add the water now. So, all that needs to be done now is to add some fish.
Nemo.
So this is going on YouTube.
Beg your pardon? What's all this shouting? What? I don't know. Is he upstairs?
Where's Teddy?
Look at that face. Yes, I know. So it's Monday, 1:45 in the afternoon. We've had a fairly busy-ish day today. We've been out, done a bit of shopping. Ian's been all the way over to Leeds and back. I've been filming part 2 of my path or road to Momigami. So I've taken the 3 pages and I've smothered them in the most beautiful smelling moisturising lotion. It's got menthol, tea tree, and I think it said aloe vera. Something like that. Anyway, I can't remember. But anyway, my hands smell absolutely beautiful at the moment and ever so soft. Oh, yes. Very nice. So at the moment, the 3 pages that I've already moisturised and kneaded, as in Momigami, paper kneading, the art of paper kneading, they're now drying outside in the sunshine, on the coffee table, on the patio. The sun's beating down, well, it was beating down a moment ago. It's gone in behind a cloud at the moment. But yeah, they're just drying out in the sunshine now. So later on today or first thing tomorrow morning, I'm probably going to be in a position to be able to stitch them together to create the final journal. So yeah, so by now you've probably watched it, so you've already seen that because that would have been the video that you're going to see on Tuesday. But as soon as it's Monday today, tomorrow, past, future, timey-wimey, wibbly-wobbly, all that kind of stuff. So yes, you've already seen it, so I hope it was good. So I've nipped out to the supermarket. We have guests this evening. We have our friends Ken and Alfie coming over for dinner this evening. They're going to be staying over, having a bit of a games night. So I've just gone and stocked up on a few provisions. And also need to stock up for Mr. Bentley as well. So the weather has gone all warm again, so we're hitting the heat wave again. So luckily we'll be able to sit outside, which is going to be absolutely fabulous. So I'm just nipping into one of our local like frozen food shops, a chain called Iceland, believe it or not, just to get a few bits and pieces, because I think it's going to be salad day, I think, tonight. I know, frozen salad. No, I'm going to buy some like chicken, southern fried chicken strips and that kind of stuff, frozen, and then I'll cook them and we can eat them cold or warm with salad later on. I'm just getting stuff in. Right, shopping done. So I forgot to mention as well, we've taken my car in to have its roadworthy check this morning. So over the past few days, I've added or put fuel in it. The battery's being changed, so it's got a brand new battery. We've had it up and running and driving. We've managed to free the brake discs and it's driving really, really well. But we've just done it on the estate, obviously, because it hasn't had its roadworthiness check, so we've not actually taken it out onto the main road. None of the roads on our estate, even though we've been there, we're into our 4th year now, and people have been living on that estate for nearly 5. None of the roads have actually been adopted yet by the local council, so effectively they're still all private roads. So we're okay to drive around without the tax and its roadworthiness check until those roads are adopted. The car is insured. It has just been reinsured again. So we've got the car working, it's down at the garage having its road safety check. And once it's done that, and it's passed its road safety check, I can then pay for the road tax, and then it's all back up and running in readiness for me to sell it. And I already have a buyer. So, all good news. So, describe what you can see, Alfie.
The thing is, it doesn't actually do well with the sunlight.
Well, why don't you move forward into the shade over this side? Just if you step about 10 feet forward, there's nothing in your way. And then just move to the right a little bit. Keep going. And then forward again.
There's a plant there.
Is there?
In my world.
Oh, there's a plant in your world, is there? Right, okay.
I'm actually on the street now.
Okay.
You're still in the sun.
Yeah, you're still in our world, you're still in the sun.
Going back in the lift.
Okay.
Let me.
Butterfly!
You don't have to shout.
House pulled up looking for business.
And that's where he goes.
God.
What else can you see?
I can see a big Easter Island head. There's the butterflies. We're still in the lift. Oh, the things have gone out the lift now. So let's try again. Yeah.
Are they moving in the lift? Are they moving with your hands? They might not be.
No.
No, it's because they're in the sun, I think.
Never mind. Oh, that's amazing. If you put your head through, you can see through. Put your head too far and it comes back into ordinary vision.
But it's got all the noises as well.
You do those then.
Yeah.
No, I can't. I physically can't help it.
Mike is trying to walk across a plank in VR. Is it above those two tower blocks?
It's
Hang on,
right.
the helicopter.
There's a helicopter, but he's frightened to walk out onto the plank. Go on, walk across the plank.
Oh, there's a balloon.
Go on, you can do it. Walk across the
You
plank.
can actually step off the plank.
Yeah, like that's going to happen. No, my survival instinct's kicking in, I'm sorry.
I know, it does.
The dog is wondering why Daddy's walking in the garden with a big set of binoculars on his head.
I physically can't do it. My brain is just saying don't do it.
He's in the garden, but he daren't walk across the plank.
No, I'm sorry, I'm going somewhere else.
He's going for else. He's in a lift, you see. So he pushes another floor in the lift and it'll take him somewhere
I'm
else.
going to Skybrush. Oh God, that is just freak. No, that's even worse.
What
Oh, no,
can
at
you
least I'm
see,
on-
Mike?
Hang on, I'm on a platform now.
What can you see?
Right, I'm stepping out onto a platform.
Yeah.
Okay, right, now, oh, that's better. Right, so I'm in a city. It's like a platform out of it though. So what's this?
What can you see, Mikey?
My controller's changed into something else. It's like a gun or something. Oh, no. Nope.
What is it? What can you see?
No.
What can you see?
I've just touched. It's retracting the bridge.
The bridge is moving.
When you click it, it pulls back, it moves back. So it gets smaller.
We know what we want for Christmas this year, boys and girls.
Oh, I've got colours.
It's making a noise. It's a system called Oculus. Am I right, Alfie?
Yeah. I'm being really brave here.
Are you going out on the plank?
I'm going right to the edge.
Are you? Throw yourself off.
No.
You're insured?
Oh, right, okay. So, you know when we're on the ground floor?
Yeah.
See the Easter Island head?
Yeah.
It's
It is.
It's down there at the
Because
bottom.
when you're on the ground floor, about to get into the lift, you look up and there's a plank across two buildings.
There's cars driving underneath. Right, I'm sorry.
What can you see?
I'm going down a road between some buildings. I'm going towards like a countryside.
So why are you crouching?
I'm not sure, to be honest.
It looks quite good though.
If you stop it, what happens?
I don't know. Try.
You don't fall out of the sky. And we're out of the town and we're into the countryside.
Oh, what? Why? What's that? Have you got?
Flying.
You're flying. Oh, go on. Show us how you fly then.
Let's go right up. So that's a helicopter above. I thought I could hear something.
Can you see the balloon in the sky?
I can see a blue. I can see a blue crosses.
Oh, yeah, that's the
That's
boundary.
it. That's it. I'm all right. Yeah, I can see a hot air balloon.
There you go.
I'm level with a helicopter. Yeah. And I'm still
Quite
going
high
up.
up then.
You what?
You must be quite high up then.
I am. on top of all the buildings now.
You're very brave. Especially at that height.
And then we'll do a Spider-Man.
Are you flying down?
Yeah,
You want to try and get to the floor?
yeah. I'm not going to hit it, I'm going to kill myself.
So have you flown away from the Easter Island head now?
I think it's over to my left somewhere. I'm coming back down. Cars, hear the cars. Oh, there's a building there, nearly went into it.
What happened?
I landed.
Do you like my flowers?
Aren't they beautiful? Remember over the past couple of weeks I've been doing Kay and Alfie's garden in Retford? Well, I finished it this week and she cried again, which is fantastic really. So she bought me the lovely flowers.
They came to visit yesterday.
Yeah, they
obviously,
did.
as you've just seen, where we're doing the virtual reality.
And didn't they feel like crats doing that?
It was very interesting. though.
Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah.
Are they erigiums?
Yes, they are. Sea holly,
And then there's
eucalyptus.
eucalyptus. Oh, be careful.
Yeah.
Nuns now.
Oh, we've got eucalyptus. That means we're
The
going to get
koala bears will be breaking in the night.
invaded by koala bears. Yes, so there's agapanthus in there. There's sunflowers. There's lilies. There's eucalyptus. There's all sorts. Absolutely beautiful.
However,
What?
when I was going to put them in the vase this morning, I thought, yeah, they came in a bag and there were all the lovely cellophane and paper around them. And I thought, I'll just cut this string off because there'll be a bag inside. Hello. There'll be a bag inside holding the water. No, there wasn't. I cut the string and it was like something out of a cartoon. This tidal wave went straight the way across over the unit there and all down the doors and all over the floor.
It's a good job I wasn't in.
The language was terrible. I went, damn you.
Damn you, Val woman.
But I got them in the vase
Yeah.
and filled them with some water and I put a little bit of plant food in as well.
Lovely. Like I said, they are absolutely beautiful.
So thank you, Kay and Alfie.
Yes. Love those sea hollies. Gorgeous. Talking of gorgeous, hello you. What are you doing? Are you going outside into the sunshine
A bit
again?
warm for him.
Yeah. It's another blisteringly hot day again today. It's 31 degrees again, which is...
According to the news, somewhere it's going to hit 37 today.
Oh, good grief. It's a bit much. Even the water feature's given up. But Mr. Bentley has ensconced himself in the coolest room in the house. In the guest room, Nana and Grandad's bedroom. It's got the window open. There's a breeze blowing through. Bless him, he's trying to cool down because he's ever so warm. It's again very, very hot today. Oh, he's fast asleep. His little tummy going up and down. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels because without you, these videos would not be possible. And don't forget you can access your exclusive angel-only content over on my website. There's a link in the description area below. Thank you.